In 2021, I made just under a 3x trading Shiba Inu. And once again in 2023, a new meme coin, PEPE, has come into the market. And the price chart looks insane. If you invested $500 4 weeks ago, that same position would now be worth just under $25,000. And with Binance recently announcing that they're going to be listing the coin on their exchange, this gives opportunity for more investors to buy up as much PEPE as possible and send the prices to new all-time highs. But this is crypto and this is a meme coin. When the gains show up this fast, so do the losses.
Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Check out the disclaimer on your screen now.
In the past, another meme coin, SHIB, had an impressive run-up as well. On May 10th, 2021, Binance listed Shiba Inu coin on their exchange. And this was literally the local top of the chart. Basically, everyone who already had positions in the coin once Binance listed it decided to sell to new investors coming into the market. With a major exchange now listing the coin, this provided all the liquidity those early holders needed to sell their positions quickly, resulting in a huge price drop. If you bought at the top in May of 2021, you had to wait over 5 months to see those prices again. SHIB did run up to a new all-time high after the Binance listing, but eventually crashed as investors sold their positions. I'm not sure if PEPE is going to have a similar price action as Shiba Inu, but what I do know is that this coin is predominantly being driven by speculation and greed. The circumstances seem oddly similar to what we've seen in the past with Shiba Inu, with one exception. The price action after Shiba Inu was listed on Binance occurred in 2021 during a bull market. Today in 2023, the markets, I would argue, are very different, arguably much more bearish. The money on the sidelines might not be there to pump the PEPE coin like we saw in the past with Shiba Inu. On the other hand, investors who have been on the sidelines for a while because of the bear market might be eager to jump back in because this is the next new opportunity. They might be willing to take these risky bets because there's nothing else out there and hasn't been for a while for them. The bottom line is no one knows what's going to happen to price action. I think generally speaking, the history is very clear. What goes up eventually comes down. And I truly believe that most people will end up becoming exit liquidity for people that bought in weeks ago. Here's 4 key things investors need to be aware of during the next round of meme coin mania. Number 1 is be aware of FOMO, or fear of missing out. Your friends, family, neighbors, influencers, Uber drivers, and traditional financial media are all going to be talking about this coin. This might encourage you to jump into the market at a terrible time. In my experience, by the time everyone is already talking about it, the large gains have already been made. The risk of loss might be significantly higher than the risk of any gain, so for most people it might not be worth it to invest. Buy low, sell high is an excellent strategy, especially when it comes to good companies trading at lower values. But this investing advice is less helpful when it comes to meme coins with no real use case. Very few people are getting rich off of PEPE, and that fortune comes from new investors coming into the market. I'm not saying it's impossible for people to make money off of this coin. I'm just saying that every investor should recognize that this is a high-risk situation. Number 2 is be aware that meme coins serve no other purpose at this moment in time other than being speculative assets. Investors aren't jumping in because they think the coin is going to serve as a hedge to inflation or is going to possibly be a new world reserve currency. This is closer to gambling, where people put some money at risk with the hopes of it returning more money to them. But just like in Vegas, the house always wins, and in this case, the house is the exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges make money based on you and me buying and selling crypto. They're incentivized to list coins that people are obviously buying and selling. It's not right or wrong, it's just their business model. So just because a new coin is being listed on an exchange doesn't make it legit, it just means that the exchange is now able to profit off of it. In a gold rush, the people that are making the most money are usually the ones selling pickaxes and blue jeans. Number 3 is be aware that in order to make a life-changing amount of money now, after the prices run up, you're going to have to put in a lot more money than you'd think. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at $30,000 and you buy 1 Bitcoin, Bitcoin would have to go to $60,000 in price in order for you to double your money. If you bought $30,000 of Bitcoin at $1,000, you'd have 30 Bitcoin, and in order to double your money, that Bitcoin would have to go to $2,000 in price. The higher the price goes, the more money you'll have to put in upfront in order to make returns. And the higher the price goes, the more likely it is to come back down because these are speculative assets. Number 4 is consider opportunity costs. Ideally, investors should only be putting money into the markets that they can afford to lose. But sometimes we get caught up in the excitement. The opportunity cost of you putting money into a meme coin is that you're not able to put it into the S&P 500, dividend stocks, or invest in yourself to acquire new skills. A while back, I had an extra $1,000, and instead of putting it into crypto, I decided to buy a camera and a microphone, which I'm using right now to make this video. And eventually, as I got more disposable income that I could use, I bought lights and other equipment like software that helped me make these videos as well. So remember, just because you can meme stock doesn't mean you should meme stock. I do believe that some investors out there are going to make a ton of money with PEPE, and you might be one of them, but I also believe that most people will lose money. For me personally, given my experience, my financial goals, and my risk tolerance, I am sitting on the sidelines for PEPE. But if you decide that you're gonna go in, let me know in the comment section down below how those trades worked out for you. I am curious to know, and I wish you the best of luck. If you found value in this video, click that like button, subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.